Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Let us know typing on your Android keyboard. Don't panic. Here's a quick fix. First step is to restart your device because sometimes a simple reboot clears up temporary glitches. Second step is to clear keyboard app cache. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps or app management. Tap on the search icon at the top right and find your keyboard app like Gboard or Samsung keyboard. Scroll down and tap on storage and then tap clear cache, and while still in the app settings, tap force stop at the bottom right, then reopen any app to test the keyboard. Another step can be to switch or reset keyboard. For that, head back to settings, scroll down and find this option called general management. Now go to keyboard list and default, and here try switching to a different keyboard or resetting to default settings. Fifth step is to update or reinstall the keyboard. For that, visit Google Play Store, search your keyboard app, tap update or uninstall and then reinstall. Check if any screen protector or accessibility setting is interfering with touch response, and problem solved. Your keyboard should be back and typing smoothly. If not, consider using a third-party keyboard temporarily. And yes, that's it for today. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.